This is Mike and Taylor. I'd like to talk about ProtoLabs Inc. This stock trades on the NYSE under symbol PRLB. This stock was down a little over 3%, down to $218.19. Look over the past 6 months, this stock has been kind of trading sideways and it's begun to move higher along with the other 3D printing stocks. It did spike a little bit, which I think, led to some short-term selling. It's going to be in a trading zone for a little while. However, I definitely think you should keep ProtoLabs on your radar because the company is a 3D printing company, and I've been talking about 3D printer stocks a lot today. I talked about Nano Dimensions and Materialize, NV, and some others. And what I like about ProtoLabs is that they create sort of large-scale, low-production um, components. And as you can see, these are designed for industrial uses. And what I like about ProtoLabs is I think we have a lot of innovative companies that are taking advantage of new innovations. So let's say like drones, electric vehicles, even rockets. Now, all these companies have to create, sort of low production 3D printed products. And there are only a couple of companies in the world that can do that. I mean, ProtoLabs is pretty much the largest one out there. Their market caps have $5.86 billion. So I do think these companies were probably pretty much dormant in the year 2020, but in 2021, they're going to be active, and there's going to be sort of a race, creating rockets, creating commercial drones, creating all these new types of products. So you can see here, this is like a rocket test. So like I said, this company has a virtual monopoly on the type of machines that they create, these sort of low production, very strong, prototypes that have to be created. So I definitely like ProtoLabs. I like all the 3D printing stocks. I think the entire sector is going to be strong. But what I would advise you to do is either, if you don't like the individual stocks, then just get a 3D printing ETF or get a nice spread of different types of 3D printing stocks. Nano Dimensions works in one area, Materialize NV works in one area, ProtoLabs works in one area. You get the larger size, the smaller size. Companies that work with software, 3D printing applications. That gives you a nice spread because it's bound to one or two of them are going to move up really high. I think ProtoLabs has a little work to do to get up to its 52-week high of 286, but if it can do that, it can definitely break through 300 and maybe get up to 350. So definitely keep ProtoLabs on your radar as well as the other 3D printing stocks. I think they're going to do really well for the rest of the year. So definitely check it out. Trades on the NYSE under symbol PRLB. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to leave a like and go ahead and subscribe and turn on notifications. I do multiple daily updates on stocks, options, and stock trading strategies. Thanks a lot. Bye.